Dear son, please stop work. And let's go to sleep.
Dad, wait a minute.
Now it's late night. If you work at night, your body will get sick. Allah created the night for sleeping and for worshipping Allah, and created the day to work.
Okay Dad, I'm coming.
Tashik, you don't want to sleep yet. How will you pray in the morning?
Sorry Dad, I'm going now. Good night Dad.
Good night.
This is the call to the mosque for prayer. It means prayer is better than sleep.
My dear child, it is morning, it is time for Fajr prayer. Wake up.
I am ready for prayer. Dad, let's go to the mosque.
My good boy. Let's go. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. When you start to work, you must say Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
What does Dad mean?
It means, I am starting in the name of God.
Thank you Father for teaching me. You are my best father. I love you Dad.
Guys, please subscribe to get new videos.